Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. And behind me, right over there, Sevierville, Tennessee, HamFest 2020. An actual HamFest in the year 2020. So I'm here. I'm going to do a little walk around with the camera and see what we can find. And I guess in part two, I'll show you the haul. I'll show you what we got. Or maybe when I get home tonight, I'll show you, just pop the trunk, show you the cool stuff hopefully I pick up here today. Thanks to Dallas for letting me know this was happening, because I never would have heard about it. This was, it's about 3.5 hours from the house, but definitely hoping it's worth the ride. Just to have a HamFest in 2020 makes it feel to me like it's going to be worth a ride. So let's go check it out.
Nothing like living a simple life. Something about those aches and pains from working on the farm. Even though the work is hard, at the end of the day, feeling like a country star, smoking a cheap cigar. There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet. Liberty sows its seed at Farpoint Farms. I'm coming in loud and clear. Might hear me on the radio. Breaker, breaker, 1-9. Anybody got their ears on? The man on the other end, from miles away. New friends were made, had words to say. Nothing but respect for you. We'll never tread on you at Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet. Liberty sows its seed at Farpoint Farms. Something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet. Liberty sows its seed at Farpoint Farms. There's always something that needs a little fixing.